presenting the Jeep 2020 Renegade Altitude. This may be the set of wheels you've been looking for. Some of the top features included with this vehicle are black deluxe cloth high back bucket seats, passive entry remote start package included, keyless entry with panic alarm remote start system, alpine white clear coat, connectivity, bridge solution, global telematics box module, TBM, dual pane panoramic power sunroof, quick order package 2XM altitude included, engine 2.4 Li 40 VAT MAIR transmission, 9-speed 948 automatic leather-wrapped steering wheel gloss black exterior accents exterior mirrors with supplemental signals vinyl door trim panel black accent stitching altitude package, transmission, 9-speed 948 automatic, STD, and engine, 2.4 Li 40 VAT MAIR, STD. This vehicle shows low mileage and has a smooth ride.